ना तो कैमरा लाइए क्या नहीं ना
भाई बदबू की बात नहीं है, बहुत ऐसे ही हिट्स नहीं आ जाते इतने सारे
और लिख भी लेते
और बिल्कुल तैयारी है।
और
आइए
एक्टिंग तो वो करते ही हैं।
वो सामने आ गए हैं, आइए फिर हम शुरू
आइए
करते
आपको
हैं।
मिलाते हैं उनसे।
मैं पर्पसली ऐसे रोल्स चूज नहीं करती हूँ जो मैं अपने रियल लाइफ में हूँ वो तो मैं फिल्म्स में नहीं हो सकती हूँ. सो आई काइंड ऑफ आई थिंक आफ्टर अ वाइल आई हैव डन समथिंग लाइक दिस बट it's quite nice not to take more than 15-20 minutes to get ready in the morning after a shower.
Hello everybody. I don't think I actually got it yet. I've tried my best. It was tough, of course. There are a lot of sounds that's not there in Tamil. So I found it tough. Hopefully I'll live up to Anand's expectations. So you forget me.
सोनम स्कूल की लड़की बनी है 2 चोटियों, कुछ खास भोजपुरी शब्द?
जी नहीं, मैं एक मुस्लिम लड़की का किरदार निभा रही हूँ तो ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं. मुझे बिल्कुल, मैं तो सिर्फ हिंदी में बात कर रही हूँ. हिंदी फिल्म है, बॉलीवुड फिल्म है, तो जितना कर पाई हूँ. और हिमांशु ने ऐसे कोई डायलॉग नहीं लिखे हैं ना. हिमांशु, जरूरत नहीं थी ना भोजपुरी सीखने के लिए.
पहला हुआ नया प्यार है, नया इंतजार. That's it.
Was followed by boys. Apparently I was, but I don't remember. I mean, I didn't realize it though when I was younger because I grew up with 6 brothers. So they're all like, you know how Arjun looks and you know his height and all, and then there's Mohit and there are like, I have like some 4-5 brothers who used to like surround me all the time, and they were all my age. So I never realized it. I was very protected, but apparently I was. And I remember during Valentine's Day, and we had something called Rose Day as well. My desk used to be filled with those things, and you know, like all of that. But I never realized it.
Number one, it's not very difficult subject. Number two, the film chose me. I did not choose the script. The script chose me. It came to me. And I did not see this Hindi film, or Tamil film, or Telugu film. I saw it as a film. I saw it as a script. I really liked it. I thought it was my comfortable area, my turf, and I can play well.
I was in search of this character for a long time, and I was meeting actors here also. They're quite talented actors, and they can play this role. But at that point, I felt that they are not ready to play this character. And when I met Dhanush, I think on the first go, I realized when I saw his film, I realized that he's the character.
Whatever moments I learn, it takes me a lot of time to learn. I'm a very poor dancer. Comparing me with him, you would have got one heart attack now, somewhere. It's an insult to Prabhudeva ji. Please don't do it.
For every, I'm saying it in English so that even Dhanush gets it, but we used to eat lunch in his van every day. Not because of friendship, but because of his cook. It's true. So me, Anand sir, Himanshu, Zishan, Ben, Swara, all of us used to sit in his van and eat South Indian food every day in UP. Three films I bring a girl from, no, 4 films I bring a girl from Delhi. There doesn't mean each character is different. Bittu and Aisha are completely different characters, right?
My